In this video, I'll show you how you can fix ShadowPlay highlights not working in Fortnite. Now the first step I suggest you do is you open up either GeForce Experience or the new NVIDIA app. Go to settings and make sure you have NVIDIA overlay enabled. After that you want to open up Fortnite, go into your settings, go into game, scroll down and make sure that you have this one turned on, NVIDIA highlights. So make sure you turn this one on, apply. Then when you have overlay open, you want to press Alt plus Z to open up the overlay. In here you want to go to highlights and make sure capture highlights is on. After you've done this, it should hopefully work. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try and restart Fortnite and then turn overlay on and off and on the GeForce and then see if it works now. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.